Hello everyone, welcome back to COTT Electronics. Today we'll be discussing areas, which may sound confusing at first, but it's actually quite simple. Depending on what's available, you can create groups or areas for similar services. A group denotes a particular kind of service that is available. For right now, we have shops and restaurants. As mentioned briefly in the many type episode, the groups are divided into areas. You may know big apart hotels with shops and restaurants beside them, since the system is so well suited for apart hotels. So let's stay with the shops and restaurants example. That said, you can create a new group if different goods become available that you'd like to make specific. Either way, by clicking plus new, you can start creating areas within certain groups. Remember, every decision you make here will be reflected on the device, which includes the title and description for the store or restaurant. The layout will determine how the aforementioned items will be presented for the customer, while the two options below, Can Order and Reserve, refer to the customer's ability to either buy the item on the spot and order it to the room, or reserve it and go to the store in person. The Order Type option controls the time during which the customer can access these amenities. If you select Just Time, the customer's options are limited to that present day. However, if you select a day and time, the customer will be able to complete the order further in advance. Enable, as always, is the ability to manually disable the prompt on the actual device. As for the actual item, in the Action section of the prompt, next to the Edit and Delete, you can click the Item button and it will take you to another page. On this page, you can see the categories side by side, while each item is listed below them. You can create more categories and then next to it add new items for a specific price. A group contains areas, which is divided into categories for similar products. For restaurants, it may be something like burgers, but for a clothing line, it may be something like shirts or trousers. In this example, we have watches. After that, we're left with just items, which are up for sale on a device for a specific price. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and for more helpful videos from COTT Electronics, please visit our channel.